drive today in the very freshly frame-off restored 1972 Chevrolet C10 Resto Mod. This truck is powered by a Gen 4 4.8 liter Vortec V8 and backed by the 4L90 transmission, automatic transmission, which means this is a 6-speed with overdrive, making this a very easy truck to drive. Gen 4 4.8 liter, making just over 300 horsepower in stock form, giving this truck more than enough power to get down the road. Has a great V8 sound coming out of the custom dual exhaust setup. Nice and smooth, like you'd expect from a truck with a modern drivetrain. Doing about 57 miles an hour and turning about 1,600 RPMs, which is pretty good. Way better than this truck would have done in this factory setup. The truck does have a very cool appearance, a very stock looking color scheme with a two-tone blue and white. It is a matte paint, but it doesn't look dull at all. It's a very nicely done matte paint job. The interior is sprayed the same blue as the exterior, with the black carpet and black leather and vinyl accents. It does have custom leather seats. You could say custom leather bench seat with cup holders, which is nice. The cab is a Western rust-free cab. And it was originally an AC cab. The truck does not have AC currently, but it's one that could easily be added since the factory controls are still in their correct place. The truck does have power front disc brakes, power steering. Once again, this is a very easy truck to drive. It's just no nonsense. You just get in, turn the key. Nice fuel injected setup. Sounds great when it fires up, definitely, especially on a cold start. This has a terrific sound. The exterior is complemented nicely by some staggered kind of gunmetal gray wheels. The truck does have a little bit of a rake. I think it's about an inch to 2 inches higher in the rear than in the front. Really a cool stance on this truck. Bottom side and under the hood of this truck is like new. It is extremely clean. I mean, everything on this truck is like new. The truck has just over 300 miles on its restoration, and it was a full frame off. Definitely has some guts. Truck to